Everyone who wants to become a data scientist needs to learn statistics, and everyone who wants to become a business intelligence analyst needs to learn statistics. Unfortunately, most people don't realize that right from the start. Actually, learning data science without a solid understanding of statistics is like learning how to sew without a needle and a thread. Not recommended. This is precisely why we've created this course for you. We want you to succeed, and starting your journey with this course will allow you to do that. Here, you will learn how to apply statistics in practice. We will explore real-life business cases using the scientific method. We will learn different techniques, and by the end, you will be equipped with the tools you need to be successful in a modern corporate or startup environment. We will cover descriptive statistics, fundamentals of inferential statistics, including confidence intervals and hypothesis testing, and we will conclude with regression and cluster analysis. Along the way, you will be supported with dozens of exercises, theory and practice, hand in hand. You will be the foundations that will enable you to make data-driven decisions as a data analyst, a business intelligence analyst, or a data scientist. Sounds awesome, right? This course includes 4 case studies, exercise and workbooks, quiz questions, course notes, and other helpful supplemental resources that will ensure you get the most out of this learning experience. So, this is the perfect introductory course if you are an aspiring data scientist, bioanalyst, marketing analyst, or even a college student who has been unable to pass their statistics exam for the past 3 years. We've got your back. And it gets even better. By signing up and completing 50% and then 100% of the course, you will receive lifetime access to 2 of our other courses as a gift. Microsoft Excel 2016 Beginner and Intermediate Training, provided you complete the course at 50%, and Beginner to Pro in PowerPoint, provided you complete 100% of the course. So, what are you waiting for? Click the Take This Course button and let's begin this journey together.